And my name is Haley. It's nice to see so many people wearing pink today in honor of Breast Cancer Month. Good job, Patriots!
We have a new leader in Box Talk contest. 4th grade. There is 1 week left, so keep bringing them in.
This Friday is Student of the Month celebration. It will be at 3 p.m. in the cafeteria.
Today's lunches: French market combo, hamburger cheeseburger, tangerine chicken, and brown rice. The sides are Popeye side salad, baked beans, sliced apples, pineapple slices, or juice.
Today's birthdays are Tegan G. in Miss Govin's class and Miss Stewart. Happy birthday!
Here's Mrs. Greco with the inquiry question of the week.
Hi Patriots, Miss Greco here for your weekly edition of Wondering Wednesdays. There were so many answers in our inquiry box for last week's question that I am super excited to draw winners and see everything that everyone wrote to explain to me why we have seasons for cold and flu. So last week I gave you a Wondering Wednesday challenge, which was for you to start coming up with questions for me to use for our inquiry question of the week. And that basket is overflowing also with great entries. So many of you are coming up to me and telling me what your question idea is for our inquiry question of the week. So I actually did find an amazing question. It blew my mind and Miss Epifanio's mind. We've been talking about it since last week. So this week's inquiry question of the week actually comes from...
Hi, my name's Keelan. I'm in 4th grade. I'm in Miss Reisman's class. The inquiry question of the week is, if humans can't see air, can fish not see water?
So Keelan in Miss Reisman's 4th grade class came up with this week's inquiry question. And this question was, if humans can't see air, does that mean fish can't see water? Talk about mind blown with that question. I still am wondering what the answer to that question is. So for this week's inquiry question, it is all coming from Keelan. If humans can't see air, does that mean fish can't see water? So even with this amazing question, Keelan followed my rules. She made sure that this was a question she did not already know the answer to. It is also a question that cannot be easily searched on Google, and it is also a question that you still need to use a source for. So when you are seeking the answer to this inquiry question of the week, remember, Patriots, to use your source. Remember to use a computer, you can use books, or you can even ask an expert. Maybe you have someone in your family or a neighbor who is into fish, and maybe they know a lot about fish, so they might have an answer to this question. So I just want to remind you what our inquiry question of the week is. If humans can't see air, does that mean fish can't see water? And I am super excited to see what kind of answers you come up with to this question. Now, one more thing, so listen very, very closely. Is everyone listening? Lately, some of the teachers and even some of the students have been telling me that maybe a question a week doesn't give students enough time to really take the time to research and find an answer. So we're going to try doing an inquiry question of the week every 2 weeks. So for this question for this week, you're going to have 2 weeks to research and find an answer, because I really want everybody to participate, and I know schedules are busy in class and you might not have the time to research in 1 week. So I'm going to try extending it to 2 weeks and see if that helps. But I just want you to remember that the inquiry question of the week is going to be for the next 2 weeks. So I'll remind you of this question next week, but you won't have a new question for a few weeks. So I am looking forward to seeing what you find out about fish and whether or not they can see water or they can't see water, because this is a great question by Keelan. Have a great day, Patriots. I look forward to reading all your responses, and keep submitting questions because I am still looking for the next inquiry question. Have a great day.
Friday is Super Spectacular Spirit Day. wear your school colors, and crazy socks.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Pledge allegiance